Starting a seal coating business out, and are you on a budget? Perhaps doing a large driveway that you have or a small commercial parking lot? We've designed the AK-55 drum spray system just for you. It has a 4-stroke engine with oil sensor alert as well as a centrifugal pump, blending up your sealer for seal coat application. You've got 2 modes of operation with this machine, spray mode and recirculate. Simply turn the handle and away you go. It's got 2 hoses connected to your drum kit when it fits into the drum, one for suction and one for return, meaning that you can always agitate your sealer inside the drum. 50 feet of high-grade sealer hose means that you're always going to have that durable hose out there dragging across the asphalt. Very important so you don't have any downtime. It also has an aluminum spray wand with spray tips as well, so that you can always be spraying your sealer in a fan-shaped pattern as you're spraying those parking lots or asphalt surfaces. The quick connect assembly on all your hoses mean you can detach and reattach the hoses in a matter of minutes. You can clean out your system very easily that way. You can also upgrade your pump and engine for maximum performance. We absolutely recommend that you get your drum mixer added on as part of your order so you can always have your sealer mixed up in your drum properly for application. We have the AK-55 drum spray systems in stock and ready to hit the road right to you to help you seal coat your parking lot needs.